channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here, but today I'm doing makeup. And I do makeup here and there, and so you are getting a makeup. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, you more my little doll babies. Hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby, hi doll baby. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, 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 hi. Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. This cute little girl is Janet Collections Taylor, and I will link any reviews or information about her down in the description box. So today I do have a full tutorial. What am I doing? I don't know. I have a full tutorial on this look that will come after this review, but I wanted to bring you a review on this palette that I got because I'm blown away. Blown away. And I got a bunch of palettes from them. So this is the Cat's Breath palette by Oden's Eye. First of all, the packaging is in like these little books, and these were like little books that I had when I was a kid, so I'm obsessed for that reason. The other reason I'm obsessed is because like this is like about like a little kitty cat, and I love cats. This is the color story, and it is so pretty. Like all the details, the color story. I used these two here, this one in the middle, and this one here for the eye look that you are seeing. I was so blown away by these shadows. They blended, like, they almost blended themselves. They were so good. They blended themselves, they stuck. The pigmentation is gorgeous. The shimmer formula is just like flaky and shimmery. I'm just blown away. I just am so blown away that I wanted to share with you. Again, this is Oden's Eye, and this is the Cat's Breath palette. If you haven't tried that Oden's Eye, I will link them. You might want to check them out. So let's just get to the tutorial on how I got this look. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I know it's been a while. I know you're thinking the same, but I've been feeling like a moment can't go to waste. I let go of your name, girl. I figured that was it. I stopped playing your game, girl. Yeah, I thought I could quit. I'm all up in my head, I'm sorry for what I did. Wish I could have it unsaid. Just make it right instead of treating me